Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with Mr. Tie-Dye. So this here is the reversed dyed heart that I did in the live Wednesday video. So we're going to get this opened up in just a second. Yeah, looks good. Okay, here we go. There's the reverse dyed heart with the little spirally things out here on the edges. Okay, now we're moving on to the peace sign. Okay, so once again, this here was my outer circle and this here is the legs in here. And what I'm going to do a little bit later after this is all washed and dry, I'm going to make a little quick short video and fold this one back up so that you can see how all of the lines came together in this. So you can see this here is the inner lines, the outer circle there. So, and then of course these here are folded over. Those are all my legs down in there. So let's get this thing opened up. All right. And there's the big peace sign. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, I guess I got one more here, the Rainbow Oval Vortex, so stay tuned. Okay, and here we have the Rainbow Oval Vortex tee. This is the gift for the graduate that I adopted. Alright, oh yeah, nice color in there. So let's get this thing all the way opened up. Alright, here we go. There's the Rainbow Oval Vortex tee. We'll get this rinsed up, post it here a little later.